Stopping to get some gas at the moment. All the boys filling up for our little trip, our little mountain run. So we'll get going again in a moment. Alright, them three look sick on those bikes. And we got Big Man over here. I think we're ready to rock and roll, yeah? Let's go, lads. I hadn't really planned for this trip. It was just the boys invited me out for this one, so I planned to take the car in for an oil change today, and I did get that done. But then they just said we should come out for a mountain run. So yeah, we're on our way out, and thought it might be a good opportunity to get some more content since I haven't posted in quite a while on the channel anyway. So may as well get some content while we're out.
These bloody young fellows, always so spontaneous when they're young.
So what we have up there up front with the bikes, we have a GSR 750, we have an MT-07 650cc and a Honda CB650R. And that is a Ford Falcon XR6, and we have my Lexus ISF. Now one of them blokes up there, as you may know from one of the previous videos of mine, that will be Devon on the Honda CB650R. So he sold his BMW and he decided to go out and splash out on a bike instead, which is fair enough. In this current market, especially here in New Zealand, the car market is pretty terrible right now, and the cost of living it's well up there at the moment. So for him to say fuck it and get on a bike is completely understandable, because about half the price of a car really, and much of the maintenance is going to be a lot cheaper as well. It's just a cheaper vehicle to run. And so we got his twin brother on the MT-07, which is one of them, and then we got an old mate on the GSR 750, and we're about to reach our mountain destination now. I've also recorded videos previously on this road that we're about to go on. This is where we went, Devon and I, when he took his BMW out, and we did a little tow run together. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we're here now, so I'll just shut my mouth and let you enjoy it. Roadworks, traffic lights. Alright, we've been released here. We do have a whole train of cars in front though. We'll see what goes on. So I'll take this time to kind of talk a little bit about what's been going on in the meantime. So on the channel I haven't really uploaded in it's about 3 or 4 months now. And the reason for that is life is kind of just getting in the way a little bit, and I'm planning on moving out soon, so I've been planning that. I am planning on keeping with the content. I've got possible news lined up. Now part of that news is I will likely be trying to sell this car. That's the reason I'm trying to get it fixed up at the moment, and that's why I had a service done today as well. I know it's sad news, but I've also got a spicy replacement that I'm thinking about that's even better, even more juicy than what I have here. But I mean, credit where credit is due. This ISF has done me very well, and I've loved owning it. It's a brilliant car, and I'd recommend it to anyone, of course. But I also feel like in the state that the world is in now, and considering that electric EV is being pushed further and further, I've just gotten to a point where I kind of want to keep trying new things before it's too late and I can't do it anymore. And I don't want to be lying on my deathbed not having tried everything I wanted to try as a petrol head. For now, I want to enjoy this ISF while it's still in my ownership. But yeah, once I've moved out and I've moved to a new city, which is what the plan is now, I'm hoping to keep the content rolling out, which should be even better. Fucking hell. Oh no, they're disappearing. I'm stuck behind this one. No, the lads, they've left me. Nah, we'll let them go have their fun. Let them go chase their fun. Suzuki Swift drivers, man, come on. I wish these people would let you go sometimes. Alright, we've been released. Let's go chase them down. Let's go hunt down the lads. See if we can catch them up. This would be a good test, actually. Just missed out on the slow vehicle bay. That's rough. Oh my god. Oh, what? Where are they? I thought we were meant to meet here. Pretty sure we were meant to meet here, but don't know where they are. We'll keep going then. I've lost the boys, don't know where I am, don't know where I'm going, but I'm having a good time. There's a dog on the road. What's the dog on the road? What's the dog on the road doing? Hold on. Hey dog, give me a dog. What? Hello? Hello? What's good? Hey boy. Hello boy. What are you doing? Hey? Huh? What are you doing out here on your own? Who owns you? You're so sweet. You're also a bit dirty though, but I can't leave you here alone. I gotta take you somewhere. Who's left you here? Does someone own you? Like what's going on? I don't understand. Do you belong to like a farmer or something? I feel bad. I can't leave you here. What do I do? Come here, boy. But I mean, who lives out here? Come here, boy. Oh, who do I contact? You don't have a collar, do you? This is a shock collar, isn't it? You got a shock collar on you. What do I do? Bro, I don't know what to do. You've got no name on you, you got nothing on you. I don't really have enough space to take you in my car. I mean, I can, but I don't have a towel or anything. Let me see what I got. What do I do? No, hey, boy, hey. No, don't go. Boy, don't go in there. Hey. Come here, boy. Come here. No, don't stand on my seats, cuz. Don't. Please. No. Not there, please. Do you want to be taken somewhere, don't you? Alright. Come here. Let me put my hazards on. Come here. Come here. How do I get this? What's your name, cuz? What's your name, bruv? I can't. I've got to do something about you. What do I do, man? He doesn't even want to get out of the drive. Are you going to drive the car? Is that it, big man? Like, are you going to drive my car, cuz? I can't believe I came out for a mountain run and I've got a dog in my car. He's been stranded out here. Now he's driving my car, innit? Hey, come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. Hey, come here. Come here, boy. Do I have to lift you? You're too heavy to lift, bruv. Oh, the boys aren't going to believe me. The boys are not going to believe me. Hey, come here. Hey, no, come here. No, don't lay down, please. Please don't lay down. No, wrong seat, bruv. You can... Bruv. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Am I about to adopt a dog? This can't be real. Life adventures, man. Life adventures. I never thought I'd come out here on a Saturday and be adopting a dog or something. I don't know. Mate, I can't drive the car like this. I will take you somewhere, but I cannot drive the car when you're in the driver's seat. You look exhausted as well. You look real exhausted. What do I do when I can't get you out the driver's seat? I don't want to lift you because I don't want you to bite me. I've got an idea. All right, put that there. Okay. All right. Let's get you in the... Do you like sticks? You might like sticks. Hey, come here. Yeah, come here. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Come over on this seat. Come here. You want a stick? Come here. Come here, boy. Oh, you got my seat so wet. Oh. Hold on. Let me get my other hoodie out so he doesn't get that. Let me put this here, cuz. Come on, bruv. Lift your paws. Hey. No. Don't scratch my stuff, please. Hey, boy. Oh, I'll get the stick again. Here. You want a stick? Come here. Get over in the seat. Bruv, I can't not have you. I need to drive the car, please. Oh, that's a sick bike. Oh, I've got bigger problems on my hands. Hey, stick. You want a stick? Why can't he get in the passenger seat and I'll drive you somewhere, please? Right, I'm gonna have to turn the camera off and figure something out here because this isn't working, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Come on, up there. Go. Yeah. There you go. You can lie down on that. Yeah? There you go. I can drive you now. My God. Well then, I've got a dog in my car now. I don't know how this has happened, but it's happened somehow. What do we do with you, huh? I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. I'm obviously not going to go ripping around the mountain anymore. What the hell? So I just had a look at my phone and I have no service out here, so I have to head back. I have to ditch the boys. I mean, I've got another problem on my hands here, so we're going to go. I'm going to go find somewhere with service. I'm probably going to get this one. Food and water. Yeah, we'll go get you something, but I have no service here, so I can't call anyone or anything, so I have to head back. This is so buzzy. I'm driving with a stranded dog in my car. What is going on? I came out here to have an adrenaline rush and bash this V8 engine and just have some fun, and now I've ended up with a dog in my car. Sorry, I'll try not to drive too erratic. You're fine. You good, boy? I'm gonna go get you some water. Nearest water I can find. Where are you going? Hey, please, lie down. Don't go anywhere, please. I'm driving. Put your seatbelt on, mate. It's unsafe, mate. No, where are you going? You can't go down there, mate. Just sit on the seat. Sit on the seat, please. I'm trying to do something for you here, bruv. Let me help you. Coordinate with me. Communicate with me here. Don't go down there. What are you doing? Oh my God. Where are you going? What are you doing? Well, you know what? That works. That works, to be fair. Alright, if you prefer being down there, you can be down there, big man. Actually, do you want some cold air? I'll give you some cold air. We could put the temp on cold, and we'll blast that on the feet. There you go. Not blast. There you go, mate. You want some cold air. I don't know if you want to be cold or warm, actually, but there you go. You get some cold air for now. Oh, you're so cute. You know what, though? I'm so happy I caught this on camera, because no one would ever believe me if I didn't catch this on camera. But hey, now I've got the video. I got the video proof. But what is going on today, man? Oh, I can't drive too fast in these corners though. Puppy gets upset. You know what? This is proof that things in life are meant to be. I haven't whipped out my camera for the YouTube channel in months, and the one time I do, I'm now on a puppy rescue mission. This is so. I'm gonna tell my kids about this one day, and it's gonna be the best story ever. Sorry, I've picked the wrong car for you to take you in. I mean, I didn't expect this, but it's a bit too bumpy for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is a sports car. It's not a luxury car. I always seen those dog rescue missions in real, like on TikTok or Instagram or something, or on YouTube, and I always wondered if it was going to happen to me one day, when you're just out in a car or on a bike or something and you come across an animal that's in need. And I mean, here we go, I caught this on video. It's meant to be. It's just so, I just really feel like it's meant to be right now. I kind of feel bad for this one. We still got about an hour to get home yet. Oh, you look so helpless. Don't worry, I'm here, I'm helping you. Why do you look like you're about to take a fat shit? Right, so I didn't get that on video, but there was a guy following behind me, and it was his dog. So bloody dog. Yeah, it was his dog. So I pulled over to let everyone behind me pass, and he pulled up next to me and was like, "You have my dog? Do you have my dog?" I'm like, "Yeah, I do have a dog, by fucking chance." So yeah, I had a chat to the owner. He was alright. Yeah, what a bloody interesting day. I'm now kind of pumping off a bit of adrenaline. I really want some food, so I'm probably gonna go get some food somewhere. Yeah, I suppose, I mean, there's not much else to it, really. That's kind of like an update on little update video on the channel, and what's been going on in the meantime, and also talking about some of the future plans. And yeah, what an interesting video that'll be. I can't wait to edit that one. I'll see you guys next time whenever I'm back consistently on YouTube, hopefully. And in the next video, you never know, I might have a new car. But I've loved owning this. It's a cool car, but I'm gonna see what offers are out there for anyone wanting it. All the boys. They're never gonna fucking believe. They're never gonna believe it. They are never going to believe it, man. I guess we do have a little bit more action here before the video ends. What a baller. What a baller. He's got some nuts on him. Oh my God, they need to fix this road. Oh, what the fuck just happened? It's not in there. The fucking owner picked it up. He followed behind me, and he was like, I pulled over.
Hey yo, that's mine.
Yeah, so I saw them pulled over in a truck, and then they were like looking at cars, and they were both like pointing at all the cars. I just didn't think much of it, but then they followed me, and I pulled over, and they pulled up next to me, and they're like, "Do you have a dog?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I do." Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Can't wait to fucking edit this one. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time with more updates and future content, and I hope you have a good one. Take care, love.